Today we're gonna be working on this car. We're just gonna switch the engine of it. Today we're gonna replace the wheels on this car. We have some wheels inside, and we're gonna do that, and we're gonna change the blow-off valve on this one, because this one have blow-off from factory. We're gonna replace those, and we just buy this car from a guy in Atlanta. His name is Freilin, I think, and really nice guy. He helped me out on my channel. I had some video how we get this car, and really good experience. And today we're just gonna do that, few stuff to it, not too much. Stop by my channel and watch all the videos, and you might like it. Don't forget to subscribe. For me, the car is not in bad shape. To me, it looks good. Yeah, it had a small damage at front, but they fixed it. It's got new tire. The interior is clean, which I like it, and also the interior is black, which everybody's looking for, I think. And personal, I love black interior. There is few stuff that we're gonna do to it, but not that much. As you can see, it has a new seats on it. This guy, he didn't want to sell it, but I think he had some issue with the title. You know, every state is different with the registration. Luckily here, naturally, it's not that hard and it's not that difficult. But this guy, he was working on this car. He wanted for a project car. It's basically complete. All it needs is paint. It runs and drive really good. I did not even see the mileage on it. I just hear the engine, and the engine sounds good. It's got 159,000 mileage. I just went by the noise of the engine, and the engine sounds good to me. So that is why I did not care how many mileage does it have. This is the front of it. Very small detail for me. The engine doesn't look bad. I think somebody replaced injector or gasket, the manifold gasket or something. Whatever we need, we have it. This is the car part. Yeah, boy. We call this spot the sea house. We got that one right here. We got the other one right there. Yeah, boy. Alright, the engine sounds really good actually. And it's clean, it's not that bad. We fight a lot for the AC system, and it's got everything. It's got AC on. You just gotta find the fan, I think, and that's it. I think that was a good buy. That was a really good buy. All right, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put this car inside to switch the wheels. I got to move my body scars, so I can put the black one inside. This is the type of wheel that we're gonna put on this car. Right there is the shoes, everyone. They're really nice shoes. And actually that is my buddy's wheels. He really loves Nismo. And we're just gonna put those in here on this one to just to match the car, just to see how that is gonna look. And at some point probably we're just gonna leave it right there with it. We're probably just gonna leave it on. I don't know, that's his. He want this wheel for his for the white one, the one he had. Really nice tire, brand new tire. Woohoo! Whenever you guys gonna change those factory wheels for custom wheels, you guys gonna need a different kind of bolt, a lug nut. That's what it calls, I think. Lug nuts. You guys gonna need different ones. And I think we had some of them for all the wheels, for all the size, but they are on the 350Z, and I think that I had to go buy ones. Alright guys, we just went to the store and get some lug nuts. That way we can put the wheels on. The size of this lug nuts is 12 millimeter. I don't know if you can see it. 12 millimeter by 1.25. I'm gonna leave on the description in case you need it. This is why. Okay. and it's done. And all the wheels are on. I'm not gonna take the car down right now because I'm gonna change the blow off valve, because I have this one have the factory ones. Oh, that's gonna look sick. Looks good. Really good.